CBI has submitted a charge sheet that they have categorically mentioned that this post of physical education, work education have been sold in the market. Investigation has also revealed that Arun Kumar Hajra, alias Chinu, was an agent of accused Sujoy Krishna Bhadra and had collected about 78 crores from the undeserving candidates of primary teachers, upper primary teachers, Group C, Group D assistant teacher, 9, 10, organizer primary, real, physical education and work education.
The last part of the order, the clarification is with regard to the inquiry and
Investigation only, nothing else. Therefore, let us proceed with the matter on merit.
The only thing is not, if you also seen, already seen, I'm sure, the second page, I just point out only the relevant portion. The case was taken up by the cabinet and the decision was taken at the time as accepted when there was pending litigation in the High Court, and finding the tainted candidates by thorough examination was not possible. It is pertinent to note that while making out the case for the cabinet decision, the note specifically mentions the view expressed by the West Bengal Central School Service Commission, Kolkata, that there were wrongly appointed candidates. Nothing to do with our case. No one has said so. By way of rank jumping, etc. And nothing was hidden. Having regard to the aforesaid discussion, we are of the view that the High Court was not justified in referring the issue of creation of supernumerary posts pursuant to the cabinet decision for investigation by the CBI. It may be relevant to take note of this clause 2 of Article 74 and clause 3 to Article 163 of the Constitution of India, which specifically states that the question whether any, and if so, what advice was tendered by the Council of Ministers to aid and advise the President or tendered by the ministers of the Cabinet or to the Governor shall not be inquired into in any court. Therefore, creation of supernumerary posts.
No.
Out of the...
Sir, 1 minute.
Yes, sir.
The challenge of the petitioners are the authority or the capacity of the state to create a supernumerary post in the facts of the present case. This is the challenge. Now, if this challenge transgresses to the area where the Supreme Court has already expressed its opinion that this area cannot be subject matter of any inquiry before any court, then obviously this is a relevant observation. But if the petitioners restricts their claim or other investigation within the periphery, the state's capacity to create.
That the Supreme Court.
Very well, you will try to bring it within the sweep of this observation. Let him try, let him answer.
With due respect of Mr. Sengupta, the conclusion is that this order is only confined to the case of investigation, nothing more, nothing less. কি বলবে এখন আমাকে তো বলতে হবে যাচ্ছে ডাকছেন বারবার তো শুরু করবি নাকি শুরু করব না হ্যাঁ শুরু করবি
What is the next order of 17th April?
That is with regard to the
directions are given
that the sir. At the period by which the new selection process has to be completed
by the CBI on other
and then
clarification is that
it is CBI
nothing to do with this.
Nothing to do with this. 17th April is at the application.
Supernumerary is not a
These are all about the orders. These are the 3 orders have been passed. Who are you?
But I am one of the intending candidate who could have participated in the vacancies, which are created, new vacancies. It ought to have been kept wide open for all. It was only confined to a particular group, saying waitlisted candidate that there is no question of waitlisting in terms of rules.
Very well.
So I am really questioning the authority of the state to create supernumerary posts under the garb of filling the open post.
You had participated in this selected, but you were unsuccessful.
No,
If we go by the 2016 result itself,
no, in this matter, the petitioners are not the participant in 2016 group.
Yes.
Participant.
for work education,
For work education, participant. Now, when you
they
create
participated in respect of the work
Work
education only, or work education,
yes,
physical
work
education?
education, physical education.
Physical.
Work education and physical education, or only work education? Please
No,
clarify.
both. Work education and physical education.
Sir, please clarify.
But work education.
Only work education.
No, work education.
Can I
Yes.
get a statement?
Paragraph
Two
2
of the
paragraph
petition
2
is only restricted to work education.
Paragraph 2 is categorical that the petitioners were applicant for work education at the upper primary level.
If that be so, there is no challenge. So far as the physical education part is concerned.
Same
Okay,
matter pending.
একই তো।
Same matter pending. since
এখানেই,
it is being
এখানেই।
heard. Physical educational matter pending.
Another writ petition is pending.
Yes, for physical education.
This
Now,
is
that
before
equal
me.
not- Well, actually,
This
permits
is
me, my lord.
before me. Physical education challenge.
This is 2020. No, this is not hard in part since your lordship is only hearing.
So the
Assigned. This is assigned matter.
assignment.
No, এটা
Assignment is
assigned.
clear cut. Now, my lord, now the issue has become much more easier for us. CBI has submitted a charge sheet that they have categorically mentioned that this post of physical education, work education have been sold in the market. Yes, kindly see this supplementary affidavit.
So you are using a supplementary evidence.
Affidavit. Well, annexing the
But is it for work education?
yes.
এই দাও তো সুদীপ্ত আমাকে কবি দাও।
And so for the physical education,
Physical education, work education, are not the same group.
তোমরা এখন add হও না।
আরে দাঁড়াও না এই স্টেট কে দাও
হ্যাঁ,
স্টেটিং ডকুমেন্ট দাও
আরে, স্যার, আর নেই copy, স্যার।
কে নিয়ে
আমাদেরকে কপি দিবি না উই আর অলরেডি পার্টিস
না, already not hard.
Soft copy দাও, printer খরচা দিবি।
now if you come to your prayer,
my lord. That I am making a prayer for publication of OMR sheets. That's the most transparent and fundamental issue. If the OMR sheets are published, not automatically the results should be apparently clear to the court. Our prayers are, my lord, multiple prayers in the petition.
now 2016 selection process, the entire selection process has been quashed.
No, not this process.
Wait,
The entire selection process, my lord, has been quashed for Group C, Group D, 9, 10, 11, 12 teachers.
Group C, Group D,
Group C, Group D, non-teaching staff, and teachers for class 9, 10, and 11, 12.
please show me from the order.
My lord, kindly.
Just a minute. Show me the order and
Judgment
the
about Supreme Court.
recruitment advertisement
Yes,
was common or separate for work
separate.
education?
For this separate.
For this separate. Please clarify this.
That kindly takes up, my lord, the order of the Honorable Supreme Court, 3rd of April.
Physical education.
My lord, kindly come to, my lord, the judgment of the Honorable Chief Justice. The impugned judgment dated 22nd of April, R block, sets aside the 2016 selection process conducted by the West Bengal Central School Service Commission for the recruitment of non-teaching staff in groups C and D and assisting teachers for 9, 10, as well as 11, 12. This is the issue. And the entire thing was set aside.
Now, then show me that this work,
Work education is
was
separate.
a
Yes,
separate
kindly-
advertisement.
Kindly come to, my lord, the advertisement. I need down our advertisement.
I cannot see it in that way. Give me a copy if it
I'll
is
just-
not part of the record.
This is a part of annexure of Can 8, but anyway, Lordship can look at it.
Yes. This is therefore
This is a separate
Separate.
advertisement, separate recruitment process, separate way of dealing the scam, but in a similar manner.
very well. Now,
Now,
a
kindly
list
takes
of-
up the supplementary affidavit. Just now I have filed. This is very important. Now your lordship will find, my lord, the similarity, if not, my lord, identity with the 2016 selection, which was quashed. Page 19 of the supplementary affidavit.
Motion. No, we come to-
The paragraph 17.13 of the charge sheet says, well, may I read out in court? Investigation has also revealed that Arun Kumar Hajra, alias Chinu, was an agent of accused Sujoy Krishna Bhadra and had collected about 78 crores from the undeserving candidates of primary teachers, upper primary teachers, Group C, Group D assistant teacher, 9, 10, organizer primary, real, physical education and work education, through his sub-agents, and had delivered it to Sujoy Bhadra directly to Nikhil Hathi as per the direction of Sujoy Bhadra. It has been further revealed that out of rupees 78 crores, 11.50 crores was paid towards arranging of appointment as primary teachers. Therefore, the allegation of corruption, Milord, is also, Milord, very apparent and pertinent to the issues pending before my Lord, apart from the constitutional issues. But I would rather appeal to your Lordship, Milord, kindly decide the matter as a constitutional and administrative law issue, and then, Milord, the corruption involved, how it was done, and to make it that, Milord, beneficial for everybody's understanding, the OMR must be produced before the court.